Hello guys, welcome back to another motivation video. Again, I'm not showing my face because I just came back from the workout from the gym. So I just want to give you some motivation ideas or information or motivational talk because I will forget everything. So before I forgot everything, I just need to tell you which strikes on your mind today while I'm walking home from the gym. So this is what I want to say. So if you're going to sleep today at the night, why you want to wake up tomorrow? What you gonna do in that day? What you gonna accomplish in that day? Or whom you doing that thing on that day, on the next day? How are you improving on that next day? What good thing you are doing? What bad thing you're doing? And what the fuck you doing on the next day? Have you ever asked to you, to yourself, have you ever asked, what am I going to next day? Either it's be a rest day from a tired work day, or just a vacation, or just a chill after the tired day. Okay, if you always chill and always rest, then it is not a meaningful purpose, right? Yeah, we need rest, but when, if we got tired from doing heavy work or doing heavy thinking, or if our mind was not resting, we can take rest a whole day or a whole week. Yeah, it can be acceptable, but without doing anything, you keep on sitting on the couch and not moving your ass out of the couch and watching Netflix all day, then it doesn't mean resting. You are lazy fuck yourself. Okay, sorry I'm using harsh words, but you are lazy, right? It is not counting. The, that type of rest is not count as a work, right? If you came from a tired situation from a work, or you have a lot of stressful day, you can take one day off, right? But without doing anything, you keep on taking rest, then it is useless, right? Okay, have you ever asked this question to yourself while going to sleep? What am I going to next day? What am I going to do on the next day? That's what I'm telling. If you don't know that answer, you can't sleep properly. You will not have a peace of mind. Okay. If you don't care about that, yeah, you can just sit on your ass on the couch and just gain weight and don't gain any sense. Okay. If you think about that, you will not have peace of mind. You will search for a passion, right? When you have a passion, and when you know what you're gonna do next day, that you're passionate about, when you know what you're gonna do the next day, either it's a good or bad, man, at least you know what you're gonna do, right? At least you know the purpose to wake up next day, right? If you don't know what I'm going to do next day, then why the fuck you should wake up? I'm not saying Ashwat, I'm just motivating you and telling you to find a purpose as soon as possible. Just go and search for it, try different things, either alone. Maybe your friends don't like to go and do that thing, go alone. You can meet lot of people, right? You can meet like-minded people. I have told in many other videos that you should be surrounded by like-minded people. If you're not surrounded by like-minded people, you will not grow. Okay, if your friends don't like that thing, whether you like yoga, you should try yoga. Okay, but your friends teasing you that it's all woo stuff, but it's not worthy, but you like it, just fuck them, go alone. You will meet lot of new people. If you try only, you will know, right? By whether it suits for you or not. That's what I'm saying. You should find a passion. Okay, first of all, you should know what you're going to do tomorrow. Okay, if it was a passionate work, you will be so happy that you're going to do that work. If you're not passionate about that work, you will be so worried. Okay, but first of all, you should know what you're going to do, at least you're passionate about or not. There should be a purpose for you to wake up next day. I need to learn this thing, I need to achieve this thing, or I need to calm my mind today. I have worked as so long as today, so I need to rest my body today. Okay, that was the purpose to wake up tomorrow. And or I'm going to vacation to chill my mind with my friends. Yeah, without doing anything, sit down the couch watching movie. It's not worth it. You can for resting purpose, but for so long, just go and find a purpose, man. That this will give you peace of mind. Either you do meditating, yoga. If you find a purpose, you will be in so peace. Whatever comes in between you, you will not be disturbed, right? If you know what you're doing, okay, you should know what you're doing, what you're gonna do, what's your purpose. What's your purpose in next minute? What you're gonna do in next minute? What you're gonna do in next minute, right? Without knowing doing anything, just scrolling on the phone, on the Instagram, and wasting the time on YouTube, you can't gain anything, right? You fucking can't gain anything. So please, go and find a purpose. Yeah, it's easy as I say, but some of them, even I don't know what to do. I'm searching for my purpose. Okay, and I'm not saying you should find your purpose the next minute. Just go and try different things. That's it. That you wanna do. Whichever makes you feel more interesting, whichever make you feel so joyous and happy, stick to it and get and be professional on it. Okay, that's what you need to do. So I need to conclude this point by saying that you should find a purpose. You should know what you're doing next. Okay, without the you should, if you don't have a purpose, it's like you are in the middle of the desert and running here and there. Okay, wherever you run in the desert, you can't get out of the desert, right? You will stuck in this place. If you in the middle of the desert, if you try to run, you will die. If you try to stay in there, you will die. That's what the life without passion. Okay, can you understand what I'm saying? If you dropped in the middle of the desert which is full of sand, if you try to run, you can't reach a city or village. Okay, if you try to run with the heat of desert, you will die. If you try to stay in that same place with the heat of sun, you will die. In both ways you will die. Okay, in the same way, if you don't have a passion, if you try to run from your life, you will die. Okay, so if you want to stay without your passion, you will die. So finding the passion, you should have a map where to go. Without map, it was like running in the empty desert, don't know where to go. You will lose your energy doing unnecessary things. You will be in the same place, not growth. Okay, you will be in the same place. Without growing, you will be in the same place. I don't know where to go, like the man stuck in the desert. Am I came to the point what I'm trying to say? That's what I'm trying to say. I hope you will go on a journey to such a passion. You should. Bye bye.